Greetings, friends, and welcome to CP Careers. We are happy to come back to you. In fact, this is really a good time. Now, even the sales positions have started opening up. The companies have started sharing the sales positions. In fact, although the technical positions were always on the move, although they were very few over the last 4 or 5 months, but now we're happy to see that there are some sales positions coming through. So let's find out which client this is and what is the position all about. So we have this position which is territory manager position. We are primarily recruiting for an analytical instrument company. It's a leading trading company which is trading in analytical instruments and medical equipments. And what are they looking for? So they're looking for a territory manager for Chennai position, for Chennai location. Salary that they're offering is 9 lakh to 15 lakh rupees per annum, and they're looking for an experience of 8 to 10 years. As I told you, the company that we are hiring for is a leading medical and analytical instrument company. The job post which we had, in fact, we got this job on 7th of August and it is valid till 31st of December. We hope to close it. The candidate should be able to join before that. So let's find out more about this. So here we are, and we are looking for people primarily from a rich sales background, people those who have a good exposure to CRM management. Now, in fact, CRM is a trend. Companies have adopted this as a tool, so some use Salesforce CRM, or there are other multiple CRMs which are available in the market. So companies are adopting the CRM. So the candidate should have a good experience of hands-on experience of working on CRM, and he should have an experience of commercial negotiations. This is primarily for big value ticket size machineries that we are talking about. The candidate would be responsible for selling, the big machines to the hospitals or to the other analytical organizations. So what is it that we are looking for? So we are looking for candidates who have a rich experience in selling capital goods. You don't need to necessarily have a previous experience in analytical or medical instrument, but what is required is primarily capital goods experience. So friends, this is what we are looking for, and now let's find out what are the profiles that we are getting on the job portals for this particular position. Okay friends, so here we are on Naukri, and what we are looking for are candidates in the range of 8 to 14 lakh annual salary. Location is Chennai, and we are looking for sales professionals, and we have put industry as industrial products and heavy machinery. So let's hit the deck and find out where we are. So we have 266 resumes out here. So I think this should be helpful, maybe what we can do is we can check out if some candidates have capital goods experience. Okay, here we go. So we have 27 profiles. Okay, so we'll take this chance. And connect with these people, namely Mr. Mohan Kumar, Mr. Senthil Kumar. We are looking for people now. If I narrow down on the years of experience, so we are looking for people with 8 to 10 years of experience. Then we have a very low count. Okay, we'll try our luck with these people initially and see where do we land. And then maybe we can expand the search. So let's check it out on Shine, what we have on shine.com. Okay, whether they are able to give us the candidate of our requirement. So friends, here we are on shine.com, and I have not been able to find out that relevant industry in here. There is no mention of heavy industry or capital goods industry. So what we'll do is we will primarily try and search through keywords. See, no relevant industry as such that we can use. So what we will do is we will use this heavy machinery, capital goods, and what we're looking for 8 to 12 years of experience out here. I've expanded the number of years, extended it. Salary is 8 to 14 lakh rupees bandwidth. All sales. So let's see what do we get. So we have 19 candidates here. Okay. But are they relevant is the question. Head operations and business development. Sales engineer, coastal Qatar. May also know machinery. I don't know. Very difficult for the dimension. Asset desk manager. What is asset desk manager doing in this? Relationship officer, Rock Bank. Senior business development executive. Okay. Okay, so we will take a call. We have some relevancy here, and a lot of irrelevant profiles also, which is Tata AIG, general insurance and banking profiles, which we are not looking at. But now we don't have a choice, so we'll go with this. So thank you, friends. Before I wind up, summarizingly, please remember what we are looking at: a senior profile in sales. The person should have capital goods experience and should have a man management experience also, and should be either from Chennai or willing to relocate to Chennai. And please note, he would be selling medical and analytical instruments, which would be high value, and that is why we are looking for candidates who have high value machinery selling experience. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for listening to this video, watching this video, and I would like to request you to please do subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. And for applying to this particular position, please note that you will have to submit your CV here on this particular link, and if you have any queries you can chat with us by clicking on this link, and then you would be connected through WhatsApp. And this particular link of this page is mentioned in the detailed description field of the YouTube. So thank you friends, thank you very much for connecting with us. Looking forward to growing with you.